you how to copy and paste sets together. So when you buy sets from us, or multiple sets, or if you buy a instant download package, a lot of times you're going to get it with multiple sets because when we're uploading, we only upload about 7 or 8 songs in each set. So what you do is you open your first one up. So let's say this is set 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to build one entire set. So you have your sets here. Just go over to your names and click on like the bottom one. Hold down Shift on your keyboard and click on the top one that highlights them all. Right click and click Copy. And then go back over to your sets. And let's go over and open set 2. And open that one. And right click underneath all these sets and right click and just click underneath all those sets, right click and click paste. Now you have 14 songs in there. And then just click down here and click the bottom song, hold down Shift, click the top one, right click, click copy, go down here, back up, here's set 3, open that one. You don't need to save this, just say don't save. And then underneath all these sets, just click in there, right click and click paste. Now you see you have more songs in there and just keep repeating that. So now I'll hold the bottom song, go up to the top, hold down Shift, click on the top song that highlights all of them, right click, click copy, go back to your next set. So 4, open that one, click don't save. Click underneath that, last song, right click, click paste, go down and click underneath it, click the bottom song, go up to the top, hold down Shift and click the top song, right click, click copy, go back to your sets, and go to the next one, which would be 5. Click on that, double click on that, don't save. Click underneath that song, right click, click paste. And then after you have them, so say we have all of our sets in there, then what you can do is go over here and you want to go File, Save As, and then find yourself, don't save them in this folder because after you get them pasted in there, you don't really need to keep these on your drive anymore. You can put them on a backup drive or whatever. But so, I would just go to, like, if you're going to paste your master set on an external drive or in your My Music, then you just go to My Music, and paste it in there if that's your main set you're playing with live. But right now I'm just going to go over here and paste it in here for a test song. So I'm going to go here and make a new folder, call it test, and delete. I remember to delete it. Oh, I spelled delete wrong, but it don't matter. All right, now I'm going to go in here and I'll make this, I'll call this whatever I want. So master set, or I'm going to put test up here, and then click save. And then what you want to do is you want to go back up to file after you have all your songs in there, because if I go over to where that folder's at, so I have it in here, you'll see it doesn't have any samples in there. So if I unplug that drive or move stuff, I'm not going to have samples in there. So after I just collected all these, put these all together, now what I do is I want to go to, and I saved it as a name, I went master set or whatever, then you just want to go file and collect all and save. And then make sure all these are highlighted. So if they're on no, you want them to all be yes. And what that's going to do is it's going to make a copy of all these samples and put them in that new folder. So click OK, and now you're going to see it start, everything's going to disappear, because now what it's doing, it's going to take a copy of each individual sample and move them to this new folder. And so that's what I'm saying. This stuff you downloaded, you can put those on a backup drive and then delete them off your computer, because that way you're not doubling your space up after this all collects all and save. And you can see it down here, right here. It says saving current. So it's going to take some time to do that. And then when you order new sets from us, you can just paste them in the same set and do the exact same thing. Paste them in there in your master set, and then after they're pasted in there, go to File and Collect All and Save. And now you can see over here in that same folder, now you have a samples folder and process and collections. So now you can start seeing that it's moving these samples over to this folder. And that's it. That's how you collect all and save. I'm not going to finish this. It's going to take a while for it to collect all and save, but when this gets done, it'll quit spinning and it'll quit saying saving current, and all of these will have samples back in them again. And then you'll know you're done collecting all and saving. All right, hope that helps.